jump. Let's be careful. I saved the hedgehog. Let's put it in the safe place. We saved one. I need to save the monkey. I saved the monkey. Yay! We saved two.
Help me.
Oh no, I need to save the cheetah. Cheetah is safe. Yay, I saved the cheetah.
Help me.
Oh no, raccoon! I need to jump! Look, raccoon!
Oh no, lava.
Oh no, I need to save the bunny! Let's jump! Phew, you're safe, bunny!
Thank you, Bridget.
You're welcome!
Help me.
Oh no, elephant! I need to jump quickly! I saved the elephant! Phew! Animal taxi!
We want to go home.
Let's have our first order! Lion! We're ready! Finished! Lion, this is your home. Let's go take another one! Oh no! Hello? Another order. Okay, I'm going now. Monkey, you wanna go home? Okay, let's go. Monkey, this is your home. Finish. Oh no. Hello, another order. Okay. Hello, crocodile. Do you want to go home?
Yes, please.
Okay. Crocodile, this is your home. Finished. Huh? Hello. Okay, another order. I'm going now. Hello, elephant. You're gonna go home. Elephant, you go home. Phew. Hello. You want to go home? Okay, I'm coming now. Hello, giraffe. You gonna go home?
Thank you.
The giraffe. Giraffe, this is your home.
Thank you.
Hello. Okay, I'm gonna take you home. It's the last order. Hello, cheetah.
Hello.
You're gonna go home. Cheetah, you're gonna go home. Phew, that was a big day. This is our safari taxi. Look. Now. Green. No. Pink. No. Yeah. Check this balloon. It can fly. Look. Wow, it's so huge. Where's balloon? Let's go search. No. No. Look, it's there. It's too high. I have an idea. It's too high. Oh no, our balloon. Wait, idea. Yay! We got it! Our flying balloon. We have a big bear family. Look, they even have balloons. I like balloons. I'm gonna take them all. Aha! My balloons. Hee. Aha! These are mine. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. I got them all. Stop right there! Look right there! Shh. Hey! I'm gonna catch you!
Bridget, please find my balloons.
Oh no! I need to find all the balloons! Where are they? No, not right here. No, not right here. No, not right here. Aha! I found them! Bear's gonna be so happy! One, two, three. This is for you!
Thank you, Bridget.
You're welcome. One, two, and three. This is for you.
Thank you, Bridget.
Huh. This is for you.
Thank you, Bridget.
This is for you. We're finished. Let's jump with balloons. Yay!
What's that?
Oh, it's balloons! Yay!
Adam, what's that?
I want blow a balloon! I want blow a balloon! I want a balloon! No, that's a bad idea! It's too much balloons! Let's play
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you ready to hide?
Yes!
Let's go.
One here, here, one here. Finished.
Adam, find 8 balloons. 1. Good job.
2,
Give me 2. Okay. 3. Okay. 4.
Somewhere else. Maybe this train. Look. See? Go try. See?
This is the 5 one. We need 3 more. 6.
6,
Adam. 7. Well done. And the last one? And the last one, number 8. Are you ready to blow?
yes!
Let's go to your room. Let's run.
Hold it down.
Okay, let's count and see the colors. This is
Yellow. 1. Yellow.
let's, this is
Green. This is orange. This is pink. This is blue. This is purple.
and the last one is light blue. Yay!
So fun.
Hi Bridget,
Hi.
what are you doing?
Nothing.
Do you want to play?
Yes.
Do you like games?
Yes.
Okay, I have an idea. Look, I have all bag of balloons. Special balloons. There are a lot of animals inside. I'm going to hide them and you're going to find them, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Great. What a huge balloon. Here. 1. Here. 1, 2. Bridget, where are you?
I'm here.
What? You here? You were watching me?
No.
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 You sure?
Yes.
Let's start play the game. The bag is empty.
Oh,
We
no.
need to find all animals.
Okay.
Ready?
Steady. Go.
Go. Someone is in the bed. Oh, first one. Who is it?
It's a giraffe.
What's that?
A seahorse.
Great. Put them in the bag.
Yay.
Yay.
Look.
Oh, what's that?
It's a bear. Octopus.
Great. What's that? It's a pillow. Yeah, it's sleeping pillow.
Okay. Oh, look. It's red.
Ah,
Hey, octopus just wants to run away. It's really cool.
hmm.
Hey!
It was a joke. We have 2 more. One is downstairs, it's a hint for you, and one is near.
Where?
Bridget, someone is sleeping in your stroller.
Hey!
is that?
Where did you been?
This is a crab.
It's a hedgehog.
Where is he?
Yeah.
Oh, he's just watching TV.
Hey, where did you watch TV? No watching TV.
One more task. Please count how many animals do we have in this bag?
Wait, we have one more.
What? Under the door. Okay. And one more I see there.
Yeah.
Is there a huge rabbit? Or bunny?
It's a huge rabbit.
Great. Now we have all, yes? Let's count. Let's see how many we have them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great. We have 10 wild animals. Happy birthday, Adam! What do you have here? It's a pirate box with treasure. Wow, are you already 5?
Yes.
And this is made from chocolate?
Yes.
Wow, this is a really nice treasure. There's the cake, Adam.
Where's my cake?
Where's your cake? Let's go find it. Go find upstairs, Adam. Oh, maybe it's here.
No.
No?
Come on.
Maybe it's under the bed.
No.
No. Where is the cake? Oh no. Here are only 3 beers. Where is the cake? Maybe beer? Eat it. No, it's empty. Okay.
No.
Good point, Adam. Maybe under the bed? No? Who took the cake? Okay, let's go downstairs.
Fine.
Oh, it's a coin from the cake.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go find more coins. Who hid the cake? Maybe Nicole? Maybe Bridget?
There's cake.
Oh, here's the cake. Nice, Adam. You found your cake with treasure. Happy birthday, Adam. Bridget,
What?
where are you?
I'm here.
Where's the forest balloons?
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh no. What we can do? I know. Let's find them.
Okay, go.
What is under the bed?
What's that?
It's a hedgehog.
Yay, we have one. Hedgehog. Okay, let's go.
Let's look. Maybe here. Look! It's a fox.
Wow.
And what is right here?
Who is sleeping in my place?
Look!
It's a raccoon.
Yay! Let's bring to my room.
Okay, look, so we have raccoon and the fox and the hedgehog. But we need to find 3 others.
Let's go! Come, look! It's a bear!
And he has a 3 friends.
Hello! Let's go! To my room!
And the 4th is a bear. But we need 2 more.
Yeah, let's go! Maybe upstairs.
Downstairs, let's go.
What is there? Look!
It's a huge bear.
Yeah, but in front the bear something else.
He has a friend?
Maybe.
Oh.
Look, it's a bunny!
Okay, so we have 5 bunnies. And let's find the last one.
Yes, let's go. Where can it be? Look!
Okay, so we have the 6th, a deer. Great, let's bring them to your room. Okay, so we have all 6.
Balloons!
Oh, great. What do we have here, Bridget?
We have 1 bear, 2 hedgehog, 3 a bunny, 4 a fox, and
Yeah,
5
deer.
deer, and the 6th is raccoon.
Great, we have all. Thank you, Bridget, for your help.
You're welcome. Look, my balloon. They can fly. Yay!
Bridget, come here.
Mommy, I'm coming. Mine balloon. All mine. Balloons are mine. Let's go. No, no, no. No, no, no. My balloons! Let's go search! Huh? Let's go upstairs! Let's go here! Look! It's my balloon! Balloon! What's that? That's my balloon! Golden! What is there? Yes! Look, it's my another balloon! Green! There! Look! Red! Let's go! Purple. Yellow. Blue. Pink. Purple. Seashell. Green. Shell. Black. Pink. Blue. Pink. My balloon. Where are my animals? Bridget, you're missing a bear. A bear! Where's my bear? Look, someone is there. Let's look. Phew! Bridget, you need more bear. Okay. Look. I found my bear. Phew! Bridget, you need crocodile. Crocodile! Look, it's a crocodile. I found it down. Phew! Bridget, you're still missing a bear. More bears! Look, I found it. I'm still missing one. Let's try here. You don't have a dinosaur. Oh no, dinosaur! Look, it's there! You need my bear. What bear? Look! Your zoo needs a cat. A cat! Bridget, you need star. Oh no, a star. Look, it's a star. It's finally over. I have everything. No. You need the octopus. Octopus! It's done.